Today I am reviewing Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Fitbit Charge 6 is more than just a fitness tracker. It's a powerful health companion designed to keep you active, informed, and connected. In 2025, Fitbit has truly raised the bar with this latest device, blending cutting-edge fitness tracking features with smart health tools and seamless integration with Google Apps. Whether you're a dedicated athlete or someone who simply wants to lead a healthier lifestyle, the Charge 6 offers features that make it a standout in the world of wearable technology. From the moment you strap it on, the Fitbit Charge 6 impresses. Its sleek rectangular design feels comfortable and modern, with a responsive 1.04-inch touchscreen display that's easy to navigate. The included small and large bands make it adaptable to any wrist size, while the durable silicone band and water resistance of up to 50 meters ensure it can keep up with every workout, swim, or adventure. One of the biggest highlights of the Charge 6 is its integration with Google Maps and Google Wallet. Whether you're going for a run or cycling outdoors, turn-by-turn navigation is available right on your wrist. No need to pull out your phone. Directions are easily accessible, helping you focus on your workout. When you need to make a quick payment, Fitbit Charge 6 supports contactless payments through Google Wallet, making everyday convenience effortless. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Charge 6 delivers across the board. It offers advanced heart rate tracking that works even on exercise equipment, giving you accurate readings whether you're on a treadmill, rowing machine, or cycling indoors. With GPS built in, you can map your outdoor runs or rides with precision, tracking distance, pace, and elevation without having to carry your phone. The Charge 6 is not just about exercise, it's about complete health monitoring. Sleep tracking is robust, with insights into sleep stages and quality, helping you improve your rest over time. You also get access to stress management tools, guided breathing sessions, and heart health tracking, including ECG monitoring. These features make it a comprehensive health device, capable of giving you deep insights into your wellness. Battery life is another strong point. Fitbit claims up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, and in practice, it delivers close to that under normal usage. For a device with so many smart features and continuous monitoring, this is impressive. It means fewer interruptions and more consistent tracking of your health data. For those who love to customize their experience, Fitbit offers a companion app with Fitbit Premium included for 6 months. This app delivers personalized insights, guided programs, and workout suggestions. It turns your tracker into a personal health coach, helping you set and meet goals over time. One of the things that makes the Charge 6 stand out is the combination of fitness tracking with smart features. It's not just a health monitor, it's a smartwatch that connects to your life. You get call, text, and app notifications directly on your wrist, making it easier to stay connected without being glued to your phone. In short, the Fitbit Charge 6 is a well-rounded device that blends fitness, health tracking, and smart convenience into one compact wearable. Whether you're an athlete looking to optimize performance, someone seeking better health insights, or simply someone who wants a reliable, stylish tracker, the Charge 6 delivers. It's more than just a tracker, it's a personal health companion designed to help you live a better, healthier life. With its sleek design, advanced sensors, and integration with Google Apps, the Fitbit Charge 6 is truly one of the best fitness trackers available today. If you value both performance and style, the Charge 6 is a compelling choice.